Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if the SMS received in Android smartphones is scam SMS or not. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening our message application. So I have a tons of SMS. So let me open one SMS here. So if you have a doubt that the respective SMS you have received on your respective Android smartphones might be a scam SMS, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Zero Scam. And firstly you will see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening you will see this kind of user interface. So now just click on this three horizontal lines, click on this content settings. Now select your respective country where you live in, click on allow. Now select your field of activity. You can give any activity list, whichever you want to give. So once you're done, just move back. Now here you can either copy and paste the SMS, and you can paste it here, and you can click on this send option. That will start detecting. So you can see likely not a scam, or you can take a screenshot and you can click on this icon and select the respective screenshot of the respective SMS. Wait for a few seconds. So you can see likely not a scam. So this is not a scam, this is officially SMS from the respective company or something. And let us check more SMS. So finally you can see this respective SMS which I have received is a scam. The earlier one was not a scam, so this one is a scam. So by using this application named as Zero Scam, you can easily find out if the SMS received in Android smartphones is scam SMS or not very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.